Hi guys, my name is Teena and I'm a beauty vlogger on YouTube. You can search me Teena Artist on YouTube. Today I will be using my opposite hand to do my everyday makeup. So I'm a righty, but today I will be using my left hand. Tama, left hand. I'm going to do like an everyday look lang and let's see how well I do it. Hindi ko naubos na yung concealer. Kilay! Okay, I'm using Colorette. I don't know what palette this is. I think they only have one. It's just perfect for dark hair. I tried my best and that's all that matters. This is such a technique. You move your head na lang. Can I win an award for effort? Okay, that's it. Okay na yan. Eyeliner. Ito na lang siya. Huwag na. Kung masyadong ambitious. Contour, contour, contour. Blush. They do drunk blush. Where's my lipstick? Please like, comment, and subscribe to Cosmo.PH. So thank you for all the love, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time.